Hey, it's Nick with BotSparks, and I'm going to show you how to set up your new BotSparks EverWebinar template for that BotSparks campaign that you just created inside of BotSparks. So if you're installing this template for the first time, you'll be taken to the template installation screen, which will show you an overview of the flows that we're going to install along with the EverWebinar rules. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to actually install this in one of our pages here. So we'll go ahead and install this here. You'll be presented with the opportunity to either use the template. If you already have these fields, you can actually map them to another field so it doesn't create multiple fields. So if you're installing this multiple times, I suggest that you make sure that you've got your merge user custom fields and tags set up. So we'll go ahead and click install now. And it's going to take us to the template page and to show us what we just installed. Now, this template comes preloaded with your ability to put your BotSparks key in and to simplify the setup for your EverWebinar registration. To find this information, we're going to go find our EverWebinar registration ID. So we're going to go over here to that Spark that we created. And then we're going to go into setup, and then we're going to go ahead and copy this over. And then we're going to go back to that template and see that we save it, and then see that it saves. Now, the next thing it's going to ask you for your BotSparks API key. If you do not have this, you are going to end up finding yourself getting a 401 error, and that is not what you want. So we're going to go ahead into BotSparks, and if we have not installed this yet, we're going to copy this. We're going to go to settings. We're going to go to our API. We're going to go ahead and copy our API key over, and we're going to go back to that template page, and we're going to go ahead and click and save that. Now, now that we've installed and set that up, let's go ahead and talk about the BotSparks template that you've just installed.